Welcome today in front of me Lenovo TAB 48, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should go to the Play Store, and here in the search pool type the green Apple keyboard. Now just we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a few seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app. Here click enable in settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap on the switcher, confirm 2 times with OK. Now just go back, tap here to the switch input methods and switch your keyboard from the to the English United States keyboard. And now as you can see it's finished. Now just type something. For example, we'll go to the Google, and here if you will type, you can see that our keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as our emojis. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.